Hello, my name is Anita Byrne and I'm a midwife lecturer at Dundalk Institute of Technology. I'd like to thank the QQI for the opportunity to present this poster at the 10th annual conference. This poster relays the outcomes of an evaluation of a level 10 doctoral study that was examined active pedagogies within higher education, specifically within midwifery education. The active pedagogy under exploration here is inquiry-based learning, which is an inclusive pedagogy where learners acquire knowledge and skills through group inquiry rather than through direct instruction. Key features of this approach are the adoption of inclusive learning modalities and real-world application of knowledge and skills. An appraisal of student VARC learning preferences revealed that the supportive and inclusive nature of inquiry-based learning can accommodate students' VARC learning preferences. VARC is a well-established and well-recognized model of learning outcomes and learning preferences, and VARC literally stands for visual, oral, read-write, or kinesthetic. People who have a visual learning preference prefer to have diagrams and images to help them with their learning. People who have an oral or auditory learning style prefer to listen and engage on that level. People who have a read-write learning style or learning preference like to take notes and study and learn through reading and writing, and people who have a kinesthetic learning style prefer hands-on practical-based learning. This Level 10 study quantitatively explored students' VARC learning styles and learning preferences. It then qualitatively examined how students were able to relate their learning styles to an inquiry-based learning environment. And what it found was that students had identified that their VARC learning preferences were well supported by inquiry-based learning. Students also revealed that they had multimodal VARC learning styles, which is not unusual, and that they found that no matter what learning style they had, that inquiry-based learning supported and nourished and allowed them to thrive within that learning environment. Several aspects of inquiry-based learning were highlighted by students as accommodating their particular learning style. Students welcomed the opportunity to teach and learn from each other. They welcomed the opportunity to assess themselves and others, and they really appreciated the application of their knowledge, skills and attitudes to real-world scenarios within healthcare practice. Study findings also revealed that this learning approach takes time and patience to adapt to, both on faculty side and particularly on student side, but that overall students welcomed this novel approach because it did accommodate how they preferred to learn and how they preferred to study. Further details about VARC or inquiry-based learning or this study can be found by contacting me at the QR code below, and I'd be more than happy to answer any further queries there might be. Thank you again to the QQI for giving me the opportunity to present this poster at their conference.